Okay, before I start, I'm going to tell you guys that this is a disclaimer. I use this for my skin, what works for me, what has been working for me, because my skin is oily, so I don't really know if this is going to work on your skin or like if your skin's going to have any reaction to it, but just know this is what works for me.
I could keep doing design, yeah. But bad bitch like you, yeah, you priceless. All of this money and I share. Shorty, I could change your life, yeah. Girl, what's up? Let me know, cause I know you got your phone in your hand all day. On the gram all day, you can tweet.
Hey loves, it's Sharice Nicole back with another video. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't already, go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you can get a notification every time I post a video. And today's video is going to be a skincare routine. I'm going to start by telling you guys which products I use first. First, I'm just going to say I use African black soap, and I get this from the beauty supply store or like the African stores. Or I use... well, not or, but and I use the Freeman products, but these are the two main ones I use, and I usually use the black sugar scrub, but I'm out of that. But the cleansing, I usually use this at nighttime, and then my rejuvenating one, I use it at in the morning. And I use Seabreeze. This is my holy grail, but I'm almost out, and I have like literally a corner left, so I'm using it for this video. And I use makeup wipes to wipe my face off in the beginning, and I use this little cheap scrub to exfoliate. Okay, now that I did my face mask, now I'm gonna do my African black soap, and then I'll put it on and let it sit for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes, because you don't want to let it sit on your face too long. When I use my exfoliation brush to just brush, and I'm going to do that for about a minute, not a minute, like 30 seconds, because I am keeping this on for 3 minutes. Seabreeze, and I'm going to use it all. Like, I usually get Seabreeze and I use it up in a month, so that's what I'm saying, because I use a lot. So I'm going to get it, put it on my cotton ball, put it all on there, and then just rub your face. I'm using my rose water, and I just go crazy with this. Like, I love me some rose water.